Hey, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. It's what we do. We yank cars. Anyway, we're gonna right now we're gonna do a cash giveaway. The last video, anybody that commented on last video has got a chance to win. We're gonna do this raffle. It's gonna do a drawing the way I've been doing it on the YouTube comment picker. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna turn the camera where you can see it too. See the winners. The first one we got up is gonna be Jason Rendell. Jason Rendell. The next one we got up is gonna be Charles Hill. Charles Hill, number 2. Number 3 winner, R2 Crazy. Number 3. Number 4 winner is Gerald Heitman. Gerald Heitman. And number 5 is Frank Miser. Anyway, if you want, if your name was pulled in by the comment picker, send me an email with your YouTube screen name. Send me your Cash App, so I can send you the $100. If you don't have Cash App, I probably can do a Zelle or something like that. Maybe a PayPal. PayPal does take longer. Anyway, I want to thank all my subscribers, all the commenters. Giving back to the channel is my way of showing appreciation to the channel. And I also got giveaways I do on the streets. I put them on the videos. I'm going to continue to do that because honestly, that's what I like to do. It's just something I like doing. It ain't nothing to do with the videos. I like giving away money. I don't know why, but I do. It's what I like doing. So I'm going to continue to do that, put it on my channel. Anyway, a big shout out to my boss. And I want to thank God for keeping me safe every single day. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into some content. Peace. Welcome back, Non-Consensual Towing. It's what we do. Anyway, we're just pulling on this property, and they've got several cars that they've stickered they want towed. I got pictures, but I just found one of them. It's right here. They told me they did have a couple of residents call up to the office and all that, and they gave him more time, but he said it's time's up. He said it's over with. It's tow day. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one on the truck and see what happens. We might have some problems, we might not. You can't never tell. Okay, you got some hooks on that one. Anyway, we got the Altima loaded up. We're gonna roll over here to the phase 3 on this property. They got more on a different phase of the property. It's actually a big property, but we're gonna keep rolling right along. See what happens. You don't go out here doing this kind of work hoping for confrontation, because it's gonna happen anyway. It's just the nature of the job. Anyway, we're pulling up on another one here. I gotta check it, see if it's got an all-wheel, see if it's all-wheel drive. Flat tire in the rear. Anyway, I'm gonna have to flatbed that one, which is fine. I get that on my next run. Anyway, I was looking in the comments on my my last video, man, and somebody came on the comments and said this is some predatory, you know what, some predatory anyway, what's predatory is leaving your car on the property till the tires go flat and expect nobody to tow it. That's what predatory is. A lot of crybabies think that cars shouldn't be towed and all this stuff, man. Ain't nobody hearing that. The people say that they don't know anything about anything at all. They don't know the first thing about property management. This property here, they've got 3 different sides, 3 different entrances to this property. It's a massive property. They have to keep the property up. That's what management is. People don't like property management, but that's what they do. Everybody thinks they're just tow companies paying the managers to tow these cars. The cars get towed because they get left abandoned by irresponsible people that don't care about their car anymore, and that's the reason nobody ever shows up to get them at the yard. They rarely come get these cars. This one here, flat tires, non-state plate. That's the next one up. You need to get something?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, for sure. It don't run anymore?
It does. I just have a flat tire. I told them the same thing, but I don't know why they still...
Well, I'll tell you why. They got so many cars on the property, they have to clean them up because of code enforcement. Hey, do you want the address? Let me give you the address. You gonna come get it?
Yeah.
Address. A second. Okay. Oh. Hey, can I use your key and make it easier and make it easier to get it loaded? I don't want to hurt the car. Okay. No, it don't run, man. This car does not run. That's why yeah, it don't run. She said it did, but it don't. I'm not gonna be able to use her key. Man, that's close right there. Here's your key. I couldn't get it to turn over, but it's okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. Just a job. Yeah. Have a good one. I can't get tight enough on this wheel here. I'm gonna pull it out and readjust it, man. Get them right. Anyway, we got the car. She got some belongings, some blankets and stuff out of the car. That's another factor of doing this kind of towing that makes it a hard job. That young lady, she was extremely nice. She didn't even get mad. We were towing her car. She had a flat tire. The car don't run, and I'll check the tag. I believe the tag's bad too, but it don't run. And let me tell you this, before anybody jumps the gun in the comments about this towing, it's not predatory, man. These people are giving warnings. We don't pull up and tow them. She knew the car was stickered, knew they were going to tow it. And long story short, the brand new Maxima that was parked beside her car, I do believe that was her new car, and I believe this is the old one. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong on that, but her reaction, she did not trip out, didn't get angry. I just feel like that she's got a newer car, or she's got another car, and this is not her only way around. Anyway, that's my take on it. It's not easy taking people's cars unless you just ride around and you're heartless. You run into situations where you do feel bad for people. But at the end of the day, man, this is a job. You got to do what you got to do. You got to tow cars, and you got to do it honest as you can do it, and be polite. Unless you just don't have any kind of morals about you. And there's a lot of people out there, they don't have any feelings about anybody else or any morals, and I do. That's why I try to apply that to the job and be real. Be conscientious of other people. Even though I'm towing her car, don't mean I got to be mean to the girl. She looked like she was pretty young. There's no reason to be mean to people. She wasn't mean to me, man. She acted really, really nice and understanding about the whole situation. But Atlanta's not hurting for jobs, man. The people in Atlanta, if you're not working in Atlanta, you're not trying to find a job, man, because there's jobs everywhere. People are moving here. I just hauled a car for a girl a little bit ago. She came down here from Pennsylvania, probably Philly. She didn't tell me what city. And nonetheless, she said she came down here because of the jobs. You might be living in a part of the world or part of the United States or wherever you live at. You might be in an area that doesn't have jobs and everybody's struggling. But that's not the case in Atlanta, man. That is not the case. People are making good money in Atlanta. The news media don't want you to know it, and everybody don't want to hear how Atlanta's doing good, but it is. It's booming. Atlanta's booming. Anyway, enough yapping. I'm gonna sign these out right here at the office, and I do have one more to come back and get. So we'll be back, or maybe two. We might get two more. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, stay tuned.